Profiling missingness across the columns in your dataset is pretty easy in Tableau if you know what to do. First thing you need to do is pivot your dataset. Everything that isn't the unique ID in your data, you need to select and then pivot. Now we need to bring a second version of that same dataset in and let it connect with a Noodle connection. And we're going to pivot this second set of data as well. Next, we need to get this connected in the proper way. The connection is here. Right now, it realizes there's an encounter ID in both of these, and that's how we should connect. But we also want to connect whenever the pivot field name is not equal to the pivot field name in this second dataset. You can go ahead and create a new calculation for the number of records that are missing. Let's see that count missing across the field names from dataset 1 and the field names from dataset 2. Now we get to see the intersection of how many are missing for encounters that have a missingness in both cost and department, cost and encounter date, so on and so forth. So we can see a profile of where most of the missingness is. Let's turn this into a percent of total so we get a sense of the size of this impact. We're going to create a new calculated field in which we'll use that count missing that we just created. Let's use this on our table instead. Let's turn this into a heat map so we've got some signal as to where the most of this is happening. There you go. You've just profiled missingness with the correlation across column.